actually going to take this battery here that I was just using for testing the fuel pump. Let's get the leads off here. I just stick these leads on there so I actually have something to clip on, because just these little electric leads. This is what's on the other end of that wire, but that is still not big enough to get on that. So to stick that on there, I can then stick this on there. So that's why we do that. Anyway, what I'm going to do is take this battery that strangely is the same package size as the battery that's in the Toyota pickup. This might actually be, now this came out of one of the Xteras. I remember actually the Xtera and the 88, or these early model 90s or late model 80s Toyota pickups, they all have the same packaged battery size. I don't know if officially they're the actual same number. What do they call that? It's not a package size, but whatever the correct number is, the category or class or whatever it is. But we're going to put that battery in the gray truck, and then what we're going to be able to do is short circuit. There's a diagnostic pod that's in the, under the engine lid. Sorry, I'm talking about the MR2 now. Under the front hood, under the hood, there's a diagnostic port. We can stick a paper clip across a couple of the jumpers, which when the battery is installed, will actually activate the fuel pump. So we just want to make sure that that fuel pump is actually bad. So I can let those guys do whatever they're going to do in the back, all the crazy wasps. As long as they stay out of here. And what we're going to do is get our battery in here. I took the old battery out already because it was all nasty. There's the old battery. And that actually, this battery, when the guy, Sean, he said he was trying to put some power to it for us and see if we could get it going. It literally, he said it was sizzling. So that battery is clearly cooked. These terminals are just stupid. I got new terminals. Chip gave us some new terminals. And there was this baling wire that was holding the battery in. Actually, I had to go get a battery tie down for the red truck over there. I should have got two. Who knew? Hello, Wasp. So we'll get rid of all this crap. And then what we do is we literally just go over here to the diagnostic port. If you look in here, this is corresponding. That top left corner says FP. And bottom left says plus B. That's the fuel pump and the battery. So if we just literally take a paper clip and we go from here to here, what we'll end up with is a short circuit to connect the fuel pump to the battery, and it should fire that pump up. If that is the problem, it won't fire up. I'm gonna go get our cutters. Actually, I might be able to just get this out of here. It's amazing how difficult it is to get parts for these trucks, actually. I went through a half a dozen of them at the U-Pull and Pay yard a couple months ago looking for a battery tie down for the red truck, and finally pieced it together from two different trucks. Ow. Rusty metal, not a great thing. I do not do tetanus shots, so we don't want to take our chances on this crap. Technically speaking, rust isn't what activates tetanus. Anyway, get rid of this baling wire. Starting to have a larger trash pile these days. It's amazing what people store when they have a disabled truck in their backyard. So these are the terminals that Chip gave us. So he had a bunch of these lying around, so we can get rid of this crap. So I'm just gonna, I'll clean those up later when we actually install this thing.